Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the environment irresistible. A clear temperature gradient with a warm spot near 90 degrees and cooler end around 78 degrees, plus stable 50–60% humidity. Once done, give your ball python 2 snug hides and a quiet day to settle. Handling now will set you back. Offer only properly sized prey after a 48–72 hour fast so hunger cues are present. Make sure prey is warmed to ~100 degrees F. Temperature and timing set the stage for successful feeding. You now focus on how you present food. Use frozen then thawed prey warmed to 98–102 degrees F and present with tongs so the snake associates movement with food rather than your hand. Once the snake ignores standard offers, scent the prey briefly with live prey or rub with prey blood to trigger hunting instincts. Try different motions: gentle wiggle, short hang from the hide entrance, or resting prey just inside the hide. Rotate prey type and presentation style to discover what reliably triggers a strike. You finish by securing a calm, repeatable routine. Feed in a small tub or feeding box to reduce enclosure stress and feed at the same time of day for consistency. Once a strike happens, remove uneaten prey after an hour to prevent stress or regurgitation. If refusals continue, attempt transition feeding, offer a hooked item or mix scents, or try a different prey species. Troubleshoot by checking weight, shedding, parasites, and enclosure temperatures. Address illness with a vet before persisting with force techniques.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.